the like button below. Alright, thanks for tuning in, guys. This is Back at Cooking with Joshua Walbolt. If you guys tuned into my Instagram story at Love Food More, you saw that I did a little survey. What did I want to cook for lunch today? And it was either pad thai or Banh Xeo. And surprisingly, Banh Xeo won by probably 8 votes. So we're looking at the percentages here. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for voting. Alright, so today we're going to make the Banh Xeo. I was going to go out to the market, or I did go to the market to try to get some fresh herbs, but, you know, we're trying to stay inside, indoors at this time, and the market was actually closed today, so I'm like, we'll cook it with what we have. So we went through the pantry, and see the ingredients we have here. We didn't have everything we wanted to make the traditional Banh Xeo, but we're going to make it a little whoopity-woppity-woo. Hello everybody, thanks for tuning in. This is Joshua Walbolt. Please hit the like button and subscribe below. Like I said, we're going to be making Banh Xeo from the packet. It's a pre-mixed flour such as rice, wheat, and some spices, including turmeric among other ingredients. And if you flip it over, we're going to see the instructions, but if you're like me, you'll be in a pickle because you can't read Vietnamese. But fear not, I am here with you. And also, there are directions in English at the bottom of the bag. Let's get started with some knife work. First thing I like to do is we're going to do a small dice on the yellow onion. We're going to slice the onion in half, and then make small incisions along the onion, and then again horizontally. There should be nothing left but a small little core of the onion. Maximum utilization, baby. Let's then measure out 3.5 cups of water into a large bowl. Into that same bowl, or in a separate bowl, to take up some counter space, just add 1 cup of coconut milk. I like to use the brand Chaka, but this brand will do. Now, back to the chopping board. Let's cut up a green onion, also known as a scallion, by simply grabbing a bunch of scallion and then throwing it into a bowl. Great. Now that that is done, we are ready to start mixing the batter. Grab the bowl that you measured the water into and then open the bag of mixed flour. You're going to empty the contents of the bag into the bowl and then grab a mixing utensil or a fork and mix it together. We're going to now add the coconut milk and the chopped scallions. Once the batter is well combined, let the batter rest for about 10 minutes. In that amount of time, we're going to prepare a little dipping sauce, a staple dipping sauce. It's called Nuoc Cham. Easiest sauce to make and honestly one of my favorite sauces in the freaking world. Simply start by juicing a lime. You are then going to add equal parts of fish sauce to the bowl, and then equal parts of water to the bowl. If it's a juicy lime, I like to add 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar. I also like to cut up some garlic, super fine mince, as well as a Thai chili. Depending on how spicy you want to make it, you can add another one or leave it out. An easy way to remember this recipe is by ratios. 1 part lime, 1 part fish sauce, 2 parts water, 1 Thai chili, 1 garlic clove, 1 tablespoon sugar. 1 and done, son. Give it a mix until the sugar dissolves and set aside. In a large saute pan or a wok, add a little oil. I like to prepare mine in a non-stick because I don't want to be stuck in a sticky situation. Unfortunately, this is the biggest pan I have at the moment, but bear with me. What are you going to add to your Banh Xeo? After looking through our pantry, I found some mung beans and cooked salmon. Let's saute. Add your items of choice to the pan and add enough batter just to lightly coat the bottom of the pan. Make sure you mix the batter before adding. After sitting for 10 minutes, a lot of the flour likes to sink to the bottom of the bowl. Cook over a medium flame for about 2 minutes with a lid. At this time, you can fill the Banh Xeo with your pickled carrots, daikons, or other vegetables and proteins. I'm sad I don't have anything left to add, but it's still going to be quite alright. We're going to then fold this pancake over in half and set on a tray with lettuces and fresh herbs. And it is then ready to enjoy with your friends, family, or just you by yourself because you have no... Alright, all finished up here. We're back and I'm super excited to eat these. So, looking at these, I can tell they're a little thicker than I wanted, but that's because I didn't have a right pan, but that's quite alright. So traditionally, I don't think there's a real traditional way of eating it. People like, it's just meant to be eaten with some greens, some herbage. Sometimes people will eat it with the spring roll wrapper, the fresh rice paper. They'll dip that and then they'll wrap it to the side. I like to just take some vegetables here. I got some mint, cilantro. I would love some shiso, the Vietnamese perilla plant. That's great. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab our little pancake here, a little crispy pancake, and we're gonna put it actually into this lettuce wrap. So we're grabbing some lettuce here and some mint, and then we're just going to put it inside. Alright, and we can roll this up. It's gonna, just like everything we've been doing has been rolled in lettuce. So we're trying to eat green, trying to eat healthy. So you can squeeze on there, but I'm gonna go for it. Nobody. This is for me. This is all for me. So I'm just gonna dump it in there. Go for a bite. So crisp, so fresh, so crispy. Great flavor coming throughout. I do wish I had the carrots and daikon here though, and some of that fresh herbs. But still great. We'll make this again. We'll make it from scratch. So this is made with the packet. I do want to see a little more coconut flavor coming through. Thanks for tuning in. I think we'll make this recipe again, but either way, it's freaking delicious. Yeah. So we'll try it again. Fresh batch, new recipe, coming to you every other day. Follow me. Hit the like button below.